Located on a white sand beach just 6.2 miles from Tulum, Jashita Hotel offers 3 outdoor pools, a bar-restaurant, suites with private plunge pools and a luxurious penthouse with a sea view terrace. All the air-conditioned accommodations at Jashita Hotel offers garden or sea views, fine Italian bed linen, cable TV and an iPod dock. Bathrooms include deluxe toiletries and a hairdryer. The hotel's Sahara Cafe serves local and international dishes. Staff at the Jashita can also arrange beachfront yoga sessions, snorkeling or scuba diving with a personal instructor. Free Wi-Fi is also available. The beautiful Mayan ruins of Tulum are just 6.2 miles from Jashita Hotel. Dos Ojos Cenit is only 3.1 miles away, while XELHR Ecological Park is 5.6 miles away. You can drive to Cancun Airport in less than 90 minutes. Don't forget to like the video, and subscribe to the channel.